In a neighborhood of concrete and empty plots where a few plants strive to grow, residents unite under the green Kypseli call for actions. Together, citizens came to document Kypseli's greenery, designing a map, spotting trees, identifying empty plots, and envisioning new possibilities. Through walks, they get to know better the nature of their neighborhood, guided by the 330-300 rule. They pay attention to trees through care practices. They touch, listen, observe. As well as registering all the trees of the neighborhood, they organize workshops with other citizens and independent spaces, like a plant hospital in collaboration with the Kypseli Municipality Market and Hoko Plant Shop. Or a drawing workshop for children in the multicultural library We Need Books to imagine together the future of empty plots. Through walks, workshop, a collective of citizens unite residents to imagine community gardens in 2025 and engage policymakers. This project has been imagined by citizens of Kypseli.